traders, it's Mike Hamilton from Mike the Easy Way, and I want to just talk quickly about this Euro US dollar because I had an abysmal session actually in the room. When I came out of the room, I made money. So we'll talk about what I did wrong in the room. Basically, I've completely mistimed this Euro US dollar. I think what I'm going to do next time is just stick to the Dow. I normally trade the Dow on these big data movements. I took a decision early in the day that I would look at the euro, and I couldn't get access to my charts for the Dow, and the data feed had failed on the Dow anyway. The reason why I slipped up in the room is because this kicked off, well, the move I was looking for kicked off after the press conference had finished. So what I was trying to do here is, what I should have done is just kept a clean chart. Actually, that would have helped. I think I cluttered my charts up too much. I was trying to sell this resistance, and what happened was, obviously I got stopped out. I had a couple of stabs at it and got stopped out. What happened was, after the press conference had finished, we had this reversal bar. Literally as it finished, we got that reversal. So I traded this down here and got about 90 points. So I made money on the downside. I traded against this move here to the upside. So that was foolish, and I will well, for a start, I'll trade the Dow next time anyway, but that was foolish in hindsight. But if we look at, okay, let's just look at where we are with this euro now. I think we're getting ready to roll over. So 2 days of selling. We are on a key fib support here at 108.60. Now I would just, I'm going to be shorting the highs. So if I get a move into 109.50, 109.40, then I will attempt to short that at least back down to this support here at 105. And potentially we could get this parity as we get into next year and get going. So that's what I'm looking at on that one. Let's just look at what happened on the Dow. This was a much easier instrument to trade, and like I said, traditionally I would trade this in the trading room on tier 1 data. This was the move just as the press conference opened, which I couldn't see, and that pushed up, and I sort of did 2 waves the upside into 178. So we'll look at the daily. Let's look at the daily now. So we've come down, so we sold quite hard down into that support. Huge areas of support here. So we had 4 tests. We've had 4 tests of that. This one did okay until we ploughed through it. This one held up on the way to the upside. That was a test that was held, and this is now a test that's held. So I would not get too heavy-handed with this, because we are getting very close to the end of 2015 now, and we are so close to a major congestion area. We could just topple over again. So just be very careful. But the moment a pullback to 17,630 is a potential pullback to at least retest 18,000. And yeah, let's see where that one can go. One of the charts I've been keeping an eye on is this pound yen. This is probably one of my favourite setups at the moment. This is a hammer-like bar on this fib level here, 183.40. If you look at the monthly and the weekly, this is a key significant area. Pretty feeble. We cannot close above the daily 8, so I'm always very cautious of instruments that can't close above the daily 8. But just take a look at this, because if we start closing higher above 184, I think this could recover and actually start going places. I have been very bullish this in the past until we sold off at this level here. Yeah, I thought this was going to be a much stronger move to the upside, but it turned out to be a retracement area from this level that just didn't hold. All right, so I'm interested in that one. Pound US, I'm not so interested in this because I think this is sort of well matched to the dollar. The UK has been talking about raising rates. I think this is a very narrow channel, and we're very close to the big 150. I don't see it coming under that, but certainly it's very weak. It's closing lower, and any highs are to be shorted. But I think we could potentially hold here and just shuffle along as we get into the back end of 2015. So I'm going to leave that one. Just keeping an eye on some of these pound Aussie, Euro Aussie charts, because they're very interesting levels, but not doing anything with them at the moment. They're pretty volatile ones, need bigger stops and so on, bigger spreads. So I'm just going to leave that there. Alright, I hope that helps, and see you in the room tomorrow. One last thing, this is the actual trade I took here. I had to go half size because I had stop outs. Actually that, oh yeah, you can see this little blue line is my entry here. That's where the arrow is. This is the sell signal. That's my entry. So just as it fails this reversal bar, and you can see I've got 85 points on the clock here. Okay, so I did make money, honest, albeit not a lot, because I'd had stop outs. I went down to a very small size. Yeah, like I said, just very frustrating that I mistimed it. I would, like next time, I would be trading the Dow and looking to capture some points there. We've had a lot of success in the trading room in the last few big tier 1 data, so I'm very disappointed today. So I hope to make up for that in the room tomorrow. All right, thanks again, and bye once more.